how to save Snapchat filters. Hi guys, in this video I will tell you how you guys can save Snapchat filters. So we've all had that moment when we found the perfect lens for Snapchat and then the next day it's gone. So to eliminate that, simply open up Snapchat, and then after that simply come over here, and then now from over here just simply take a picture. Now once you guys take a picture, you guys can see your picture. Simply come back, and then after that click on the top right on this camera icon that you guys see over here. Now from over here you guys can basically see some very good options. Click on try lenses, and now you guys are gonna have the option to see lenses. And then also at the bottom right you guys are gonna have the option to explore. Click on that, and then after that you guys can choose any one of these lenses. Simply take your time to find the perfect lens that you want to use, and then after that simply click on that one. Simply take a look at how it looks like, and if you guys like it, well then simply click on the bottom on favorite, and then this particular lens is going to be added to favorites. Now whenever you guys open up your explore option from the bottom right, you guys are going to have your favorite lens up top, and you guys can simply tap on it and you will be able to use that particular lens for yourself. So guys, that is how easy it is for you guys to actually save filters on Snapchat. Be sure to like, subscribe and share. Till next time, goodbye.